Today I would want to talk about the international health regulations. Now it was in the year 2005 that the UN had introduced this international health regulations, and as a member state, our country India had assented to these international health regulations in the year 2008. Now in the year 2008, our government knew that there would in the future be a certain pandemic. There would likely be a certain pandemic situation wherein the medical healthcare facilities like our hospitals and many other such facilities which need equipments would not suffice at that, and it wouldn't be supportable for a pandemic of a large sort. So it was in that year, in the year 2008, that India, being a member state, had assented to these international health regulations. Your international health regulations take within itself all these issues which we are facing today: the quarantine facilities, availability of beds, availability and supportable supply of oxygen, and all these other related issues. Mind it was in the year 2008 that India assented to follow these regulations. It is in the international health regulations that any member state has to make sure of all these capacities, medical healthcare capacities, within 5 years from assent or 5 years from the international health from coming into force of the international health regulations. But however, our country did not enact any legislation to this effect. Our country did not enact or formulate a law which could postulate the idea of the international health regulations. And hence, today we think that it is not enforceable. The international health regulations aren't very enforceable. But my question is, whether in a welfare state like ours, that is India, should a patient not have a legitimate expectation of oxygen supply, of bed in the hospital, of oxygen supply in the hospital, the bare minimum, that is oxygen, which is life support for each and every one of us, or each and more so for the patients? Is it important to have an act in a welfare state like India to enforce adequate oxygen supply? The question is to be answered in a clear no. But why? But the larger issue is whether to enforce a statute for medical healthcare facility, do we have to rely on the international health regulations? I think to have oxygen supply or to have a bed in the hospital is the irreducible quantity of fundamental right which a citizen has a freedom to exercise. If he visits the hospital, he has a legitimate expectation. He has the bare minimum quantity of expectation when he visits the hospital to ensure that for himself there is available this hospital bed or adequate oxygen supply. The condition today is very remorseful. It cannot be described. It is very hurtful, and we are really in unfortunate times. However, there are a certain governments which are trying to prevent the reporting of these incidents where the reporter in a life-threatening situation is standing with a camera and reporting of a COVID-19 patient who is sitting in a car outside the hospital premises. I think because of this remorse that I have tried to make this video, and I want to understand from you people that is it not necessary? Is it not your bare fundamental right? Is it not your expectation, a rightful expectation, to seek adequate supply of oxygen, to seek enforcement of an adequate supply of oxygen in a hospital, and adequate capacity of having beds in the hospital? Is it not necessary? So through this video I just wanted to put out this question.